camera. It's not even noon yet. You're fine. Alright. Gotta pump up. Alright guys, welcome to Oscoda. I've never ridden these particular trails. Up here with John, as you can see. Got the lens cap, got the ND filter on the GoPro, so hopefully the lighting will be a little bit different. Let's check out these trails, you guys. Had two sheriffs in the parking lot. You guys see that? So I'm trying to keep it quiet and get it a little far out here to get past them. Oscoda's about a 4-hour drive from my home. shit. Woo! Another close one, boys. Glad I got that on video. Let's get it. Fucking got it, dude. That's gonna be a good one. Hell yeah. Oh, here we go again. Deviated rectum. What? Just kidding. Starting to get a little chilly. You might encounter some rain here, guys. Oh, somebody coming. I knew I heard somebody. Ooh, yeah, that's a big motherfucker. That's a big boy right there. Oh yeah, never actually got a picture. Oh. Hell yeah. Oh, I think he said go around him.